Hey guys, Jagus here, Jagus Reviews. Alright, so this is the Philips 4807. This is their smallest speaker that they have. I did go ahead and take off the little cover just so we could see what it has inside. So really, it's got a little racetrack driver. We're gonna say, yeah, about 3 inches by just under 2, maybe a inch and 7/8 or so. So not huge. I think they say it's 10 watts, so definitely more JBL Flip size, not competing with the Charge. The Charge has a way bigger speaker. And then it's got a couple little passive radiators, one on the front, one on the back. But let's go ahead and play some music and see how it does. Let's see.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go down. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this as fun, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it.
Alright, let's do something with a little more bass. See if we can get that little thing moving. It just doesn't move much. While I got you here, let's go ahead and see what this little guy looks like. So may as well just see. So yeah, they could have definitely added a little bit more bass. They could have had that speaker moving a little bit better. Same thing with the passive radiator, is just not moving very much. And I guess I am used to like the JBLs and stuff where the passive radiators really move quite a large amount. So maybe that's just normal with the smaller speakers, but I'm pretty sure the Flip, even the passive radiators move a lot more than they are on this. And there's definitely no bass boost mode or anything like that with this speaker. So but pretty interesting. Let's see what this little guy is all about. Alright, so here she is. It is a cute little guy. Neodymium, I think is how you say it, for the magnet. Decent little size, nice little voice coil. It's really not a bad speaker. Let's try it on some free air real quick. Not bad. They definitely could have had this thing hitting a little harder, for sure. Good little voice coil. too shabby at all. Alright, so I mean, not a bad little speaker. Fun to take apart. I'm gonna take apart its bigger brother. I don't know if you can see in there, but you do have that little battery. I forget what they say. It's not huge, maybe like 3,000 milliamp or so. And little drive there. And chips and all that, motherboard, all that fun stuff. So, anyways, let me know what you guys think. And let's go ahead and take apart some more speakers.